Like we always do with this time. I got to shine.
Welcome to the good life, where niggas is CLD, won't even get pulled over in they new V. The good life, let's go on a living spree. Shit, they say the best things in life are free. The good life, it feel like Atlanta, it feel like LA, it feel like Miami, it feel like NY, summertime shy.
Now throw your hands up in the sky.
So I roll through good, y'all pop the trunk, I pop the hood, Ferrari. If she got the goods and she got that ass, I got to look sorry. Yo, it's got to be cause I'm seasoned. Haters give me them salty looks. Lorries, 50 told me go ahead, switch the style up. And if they hate, then let them hate. Watch the money pile up. The good life.
Now throw your hands up in the sky. Now throw your hands up in the sky. I'ma get on the TV. I'ma put some hands.
The girls who ain't on TV cause they got more
ass than the models.
The good life, so keep it coming with the bottles. The she feel booze like she bombed at Apollo. The good life, it feel like Houston, it feel like Philly, it feel like DC, it feel like VA or the Bay or yay. Hey, this is the good life. Only tell me what's good. Why I only got a problem when you in the hood?
Welcome to the good life.
Like I'm new in the hood. The only thing I wish
a nigga would.
Welcome to the good life.
But I don't think you should.
Welcome to the good life.
50 told me go ahead, switch the style up. And if they hate, then let them hate. Watch the money pile up. The good life. Yeah.
Now throw your hands up in the sky. Now throw your hands up in the sky. I'ma get on the TV. I'ma put some hands.
Have you ever popped champagne on a plane? While getting some brain with that ass, she said I never seen snakes on a plane. Whether you broke or rich, you gotta get this. Having money's not everything that having it is. I was splurging on trips, but when I get my car back activated, I'm back to Vegas. Cause I always had a passion for flashing. Before I had it, I closed my eyes and imagined the good life.
Better than the life I lived when I thought that I was gonna go crazy. And now my grandmama is the only